based in Nandiala, belonging to Society of Pilar, SFX. And Pilar Society has been promoting sports for long years, especially hockey, a national game. We have many players from Father Agnel Pilar, Central School, and now the society has ventured into Sattari because we know the young talent in Sattari. We have ventured there to promote this national game. And time being, I am coaching Honda High School, Honda. There, I have around 120 children regularly coming for practice, 70 girls and 60 boys. And we are facing difficult because of lack of ground there. They have to play on the stony ground, and because of that, our equipment also gets spoiled. And we prepare regular equipment, and we are getting more response there. Children are going and coming, and we are having children right from second standard to 10th standard every day regularly they are practicing. We have a coach Gaurav Singh who travels from Mapsa to Honda every day from 2:30 to 6:30, and our program is very nice. From 2:30 to 4:30 we have arranged girls tuition and boys hockey practice. From 4:30 to 6:30 boys go for tuition and girls come for hockey practice. This is our program there. And another difficult things we face there is about traveling, because there is only one extra tough ground per day, and we don't have transport, and we spend almost for every trip 5,000, and it costs lot because per year with practice matches and for the tournament minimum 30 trips we have there. And these are the things. And children, some of children are migrants because Honda is the industrial shape. The migrants, some of their parents are widows, and we find difficult to ask them also. And children are very tough. Today you have seen the boys, how nicely they play, and they're just under 14, and they're definitely going to grow, even the girls. This is the small venture of Pilar Fathers in Sattari to catch them young, especially in national game, and one day we wish some of them will play for India. Thank you.
आता तुमची डिमांड किती आसा लायक गव्हर्मेंटान कितें तरी फॅसिलिटीज
गव्हर्मेंट ॲक्च्युली कितें आमी आतां स्टार्ट केल्या न्हू इन 2021 कोवीड टायम्स was there, and we have not approached also government still, and the school also doesn't have their own ground, so we are practicing because we got a strong sarpanch there who is fully supporting us. We are practicing on panchayat ground, and he is the one who supported and told people also allow the students to play, because there is a pathway in between, people cross to go their houses. He approached people and he supported us, told them to go from other way route and let the children practice. So we have not yet approached government. We also don't know what are the facilities.
Students have love for hockey.
Yes, if you all come and see there, like Jesus says, come and see. But 2:15 to 6:30 they are there. As I've told you, right from second standard till 10th standard students have. Some of them already reached to 11th standard, 12th standard. In Sattari, at least 13 girls have played already nationals in these 3 years, and they are represented here.
Government and help करवाने even a ground ready करने.
Yeah, especially now, see, recently they are building a extra tough ground for futsal grounds, so panchayat. But if they also consider this Sattari, children can come up in hockey, because so many girls have already played for nationals and got selected for Khelo India. If they such a nice place, 907, give an extra tough ground only for hockey, I will tell you Sattari is going to dominate in hockey, because they are very tough.
Have you given this thing call to your local MLA or someone?
Not yet, we are not yet done, because we are still building.
Building.
Building.